let's take a look at how today's trading session has panned out. We may be absolutely flat on the Nifty coming in because we're dilly-dallying across the red and the green, but nonetheless, it's been a stellar recovery coming in for the Nifty 50 today. You had more than 150 points on the index from the day's lowest point when Nifty has recovered. We're currently above the 23,000 mark. Let's see for the next couple of minutes if we're able to sustain to these levels. Let's pull up a Sensex because Sensex to 1/10 of a slightly pressure coming in, 0.1% cut coming in, but nonetheless Sensex has also seen stellar recovery from the day's lowest point and is above the 76,200 mark for now. Let's take a look at what the broader markets are doing because more or less the broader markets have performed very well in today's trade. We have seen cuts of roughly 0.2% across both mid cap and small cap, but if you take a look at the overall intraday basis, the lows that we started from, we're anywhere between 2.5% and 3% higher from the day's lowest point when it comes to both of these broader markets. So very good performance coming in from Nifty, mid cap and small cap. But whereas if you take a look at these on an intraday basis, on the spot basis right now, 0.2% cut is where both of these indices are trading. And advanced decline ratio in the favor of the declines, but it's more or less evenly distributed, slightly heavier tilting on the decline side. India VIX rather flat. We were at 15.2 at one point of the day. We've simmered down and around those 14.8, 14.9 levels now, 14.9. Close to 15, but nonetheless only a 0.5% spike coming in on India VIX today. So that is also something that is looking very, very good in today's trading session. Let's take a look at some sectoral gainers and losers in today's trading session. Through and through, it's been the day of Nifty PSU banks. They've been looking healthy ever since the get-go. You have Union Bank, Maharashtra Bank, Indian Bank, Bank of India. All of them have done very well today. Watch out for Bank of Baroda because that company will be mulling fundraising tomorrow. So Bank of Baroda is also in focus on the back of that. Along with that, you have 4 other companies that will be mulling fundraising tomorrow as well. But other than that, let's talk about sectors once again. Nifty Realty continued to be your biggest sectoral loser, almost 3% low, and it's been a constant laggard. Even when the markets are doing decently, this sector has been tanking away for the last couple of trading weeks or so. Now, Nifty Metal has also managed to finish the day in the green, so good move coming in from Nifty Metal. Nifty Bank also somewhere over there. FMCG, Energy, Pharma, IT and Auto along with Nifty Realty continue to lag, and these are your indices that have closed in the red. Let's take a look at some stock mentions then. All of this exuberance that we've seen in the market was on the back of the AMFI data because SIP levels were above 26,000 crore for the second straight month. But you have SAIL that on the back of earnings reaction was up 5.5%. On the flip side, Vodafone on the back of earnings reaction was down 5.5%. So that is something that doesn't look good for Vodafone at all. Ircon International was also down 5.5%. Very tepid set of quarterly numbers coming in. The net profit and revenue have taken a sharp hit on a year-on-year basis. So that's Ircon International, 5.5% almost lower in today's trading session. And lastly, let's talk about Jubilant Food. Numbers have just come out a few minutes ago, and 3.5% cuts, steep cuts coming in across that stock on the back of its numbers as well. EBITDA margins have all shrunk on a year-on-year basis. PAT has also seen a slight bit of a downtick coming in. So that's a lowdown on some important events that happened today. AMFI data being one of them. Good set of numbers coming in. Nifty has managed to hold above the 23,000 marks. We'll give some time for these rates to stabilize, but looking good right now for the Nifty, and let's hope tomorrow we manage to end in the green.